'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. 'Cause this is real love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama. I hope you always are going to be healthy, and don't forget that I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama. I'm glad that you're my mother. Thank you for everything you've done to make sure that me, Kuya, and Sean are living comfortable lives. And thank you for always being there to support us in everything that we do. I'm sorry for all the times that I unintentionally hurt your feelings, but always remember that you are the best mother that anybody could have. I hope that you live the rest of your days happily and in good health. And yeah, I love you so much and happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Mama. We might have some misunderstandings, but I will always be thankful and happy for all the love and support that you have given us. And thank you for all the wonderful things that you have done for us. And we wish you good health and more birthdays to come. That's all. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tilani. God bless. Stay healthy and stay strong forever. I love you.
Kumusta ang lahat? Sana nasa mabuti tayong kalagayan ngayon. Gusto ko lang batiin ang aking mahal na kaibigan, friend like a sister. Dear Mikey, wish you all the best sa araw ng iyong kapanganakan. Happy birthday. Stay sweet, beautiful, and humble. God bless your family too.
Hi! Happy birthday, Bess! I love you. I wish you more birthdays to celebrate and hope you have more followers and subscribers in YT so that you can make more contents and stay happy. Enjoy what you do, and I wish I could be with you in your birthday and in the coming days, but hopefully soon we can be together again and do the things we used to do. I miss you. I miss our time together, karaoke, where we enjoy so much singing, and I'm happy and praying that you stay healthy and you be happy always. I wish you more birthdays and love ya.
Hi dear, happy birthday to you. May you have many more birthdays to come. God bless you. Stay safe and healthy. Always be happy and beautiful. I miss you and hope to see you soon. Enjoy!
Hello, cousin. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. More birthdays to come. Stay beautiful and kind as always. More candles to blow and good health, of course. Happy birthday, cuz. I miss you. Love ya.
Hi, Tweet! Maligayang karawan sa'yo. Sana maganda ang puso mo at healthy ka. I miss you. Good luck sa mong YouTube.
Hi sis, happy birthday. Wala akong ibang hiling sa Diyos na sana malampasan mo ang lahat ng mga pagsubok sa buhay at lagi kang masaya. Marami pang mga birthday darating sa'yo nang makasama ka namin ng matagal. Sana iwas-iwasan mo na ang pagiging stress. Huwag ka nang magpapa-stress pa. Lahat ng mga problema sa buhay ay masusolusyonan yan. Bigay mo lang lahat kay Lord. Siya na ang bahala sa atin. Again, happy birthday. I love you. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Hi sis! Happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday! Ang wish ko po sa inyong birthday, sana po ay palagi lang po kayong malusog at palaging happy and stay strong sa lahat ng mga pagsubok na dumadating sa buhay. Ayun lang po. At sana po ay mag-enjoy po kayo ngayong birthday nyo. So, ayun lamang po and more blessings. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hello guys! Welcome to Morgie TV. Kung hindi nyo ba ako kilala, ako si Morgie TV. If you're not connected naman dyan, forget to like, subscribe, and leave the comment para mabalikan ko kayo. Salamat nga pala kay Melanie Timson na na-invite niya ako sa pag-greet ng kanyang birthday. Salamat din pala at naging friend ko si Melanie dahil nung birthday live ko ay siya ay nagpa-SC sa akin. Super chat. Unexpected na mag-SC sa akin. Ayan, thank you Sisi Koy and salamat din sa iyong pa-blessing dyan. Ayan. Happy birthday nga pala sa'yo and more blessing to come and God bless. Kanta na lang ka ng happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Melanie. Ayan. Mag-iingat ka lagi sis. Salamat nga pala sa iyong parapol dyan. At ako ay naisihan na nung birthday ko. Hindi ako kalain na mabubunot din ang pangalan ko. Ayan. Salamat nga pala sa iyong super thanks. Ayan. Thank you so much Sisi Koy. Kung hindi nyo pa connect si Melanie, connect nyo na yan. Kay Melanie kasi iba guys. PNM niya ako nanalo daw ako. So, wala naman ako dun sa live niya, diba? May iba kasi pag nagpapa-raffle or bunot. Basta wala ka sa live niya, hindi ka mananalo. Wala, disqualified yung, kahit nabunot yung pangalan mo, disqualified ka. Pero kay Melanie, nagulat nga ako, PNM niya ako. Sisi, nagtawag ko nga. Teka, nagulat nga ako. Kasi nagtaka ako. Kasi lahat ng mga napupuntahan ko, or kahit mga namimigay ng pamasko dyan, sabi natawag daw, wala ako. So, kay Melanie, kakaiba, diba? Kahit wala ka natawag ka, ibibigay niya pa rin yung iyong premyo. Kaya maraming salamat sa iyo, Sisi. Bawi na lang ako dyan. Thank you so much and God bless. Morgie TV, connect nyo na yan. Thank you so much. Bye. Peace, yo.
Happy birthday, Tita Melanie. I hope you're having a great day. Stay safe out there. Bye.
Thank you, Tita Melanie. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lenny. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kat.
Birthday, Lan.
Hope you enjoyed my surprise birthday gift for you. Bye.
these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? Out of sight, the way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie?